Hello guys, hope you are doing well. So today we'll be making native jollof rice, or you can call it palm oil jollof rice. And without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So here are my ingredients, and I'm going to be just showing you a few. And these are my peppers, my onion, then this is locust bean as well. And to begin, I'm going to heat up some oil into a pot, and you want to ensure that it's not bleached. Okay, then the next thing to add is chopped onion. Then I'm going to stir that to combine for a few minutes, maybe a minute or two. Then the next thing I'll be adding is locust bean. You can skip this if you don't like it, but this is just how I like to prepare mine. Okay, so you want to stir that also with the onion, and also add crayfish. This is just a way of building flavor. Okay, then the next thing to add is my pepper mix, a mixture of chopped pepper, onion and tomatoes that I showed earlier. Then add that to the mixture and stir to combine as well. And now that is nicely combined, I'm going to add my seasoning. I just want to be gentle on the seasoning at this point, okay? Just add, some seasoning so that you can season the pepper. Then stir that to combine as well. Then I'm going to cover that for a few minutes to kind of steam it or fry it, if that makes sense. Then after a few minutes of cooking, about 4 or 5 minutes, this is what it's looking like. And the next thing to add is my meat stock. I'm going to add, meat stock to this, and to kind of season it up as well, build more flavor or more taste. And the next thing to add is water, and I'm going to stir on it, and adjust the seasoning as well, because I had a taste of it and the taste is not given yet. Okay, so then I'm going to cover that to boil. Then the next thing is to add my washed rice. Okay, and stir on it as well, to so I'll be adding a few drops of water as well, because the water added is not going to be enough, no, with the way I'm looking at it. So these are my protein, but I'll be removing the fish because I'll be frying that. Okay, then the next thing is to add my egg as well. Just do you at this point, add any protein of choice to your rice and cover that to cook. Okay, so after several minutes of cooking, this is what it's looking like, and I'm going to check for the texture if it's fully cooked. And yeah, it is ready. So I'm going to go ahead to fluff the rice, just mix that to combine very well. And you can just leave it as it is, or you can just go ahead to garnish it with some leaf. And I'll be using pumpkin leaf to you know to garnish this. All right, and I'm going to go ahead to to stir it to combine. But if you don't, this process is actually optional, but I think it's good you add veggie to your rice as well. So at this point, guys, everything is looking good, and I'm going to cover that to steam for a few minutes. And after a few minutes, this is what it's looking like. And I'm going to go ahead to stir on it and serve. Okay, enjoy. So thank you guys so much for watching to this point, and I will see you guys in my next one. Please do well to subscribe, like this video, share, follow for more if you are watching on Facebook, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.